Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at Crypto.com. We're looking at Kronos, the Crow, and we're down a little low. We're in a little valley at 39.48. So 39 cents, 39 and a half cents. We're going to get back to 50. We're going to get there, and then we're going to a dollar. Not sure the time frame on that anymore. Could be 2-3 months. Maybe as much as 6 months. We'll have to see what happens with this next one, Bitcoin. Man, I was really hoping we could hold that $40,000 level, but we didn't. So we could head lower into the 38s, 37s for some support. Let's get to real why we're here. We're going over to VVS. It's been a while since we've been here, and it's time for another video. What I want to go look at today here is I want to go over to the farm, and since CRO is in a dip, in a low, it's going to cost me 1 CRO to collect my earnings, my VVS to harvest, $5.38. So, okay, it's going to cost me 1 CRO to do that. Big deal. So, 10%, a little less, a little more, whatever. Not a huge thing. Just takes a minute to process. And let's take a look at this VVS tonic multi-yield. But what oh, it's already deposited. So you can see it's 108% interest. Pretty good. That's acceptable. Now, let's go to something that's not quite as acceptable for me. We're going over to mine. Now, when I first staked this, we were in the thousands of percents, 100%. But now we are down to 17.55%. And that's kind of pathetic. I mean, come on, guys. It should be at least 50%, which it hung around for a long time. But now, 17.5%? Come on, you gotta be joking me, right? There's a 1 missing or something. But no, let's check out why. Okay, so if you guys can read this number, total staked, that's not 3 million. That's not 3 billion. That is 3 trillion VVS staked. Oh, wow. That is a lot of VVS. And that, my friends, is why our interest rate has been diluted down to 17.55% currently. So that's pretty pathetic. So let's go over to xVVS. Alright, it's supposed to be replacing / co-VVS with xVVS. I don't. Go check out my other video where I try to explain it. But you can see here what we have. We don't have a lot, and we need to stake more. I'm not sure I really want to do that right now, but you can see we get 255% APR. So let's go to the vault. You can see over here in the vault we have 4-year stake. You can see we're 255% APR. That's awesome. Not much locked, right? I could deposit more. All right, I'm going to go. All right, let's max it out. Could max out all the VVS right here and turn it into xVVS. But it's only $4, right? Big deal. Do I want to do that? Let's see. If I deposit it in the vault and confirm it, what's going to happen? They're going to charge me 2.5 CRO. That is about, let's see, $1.50 or so. Okay. But my CRO is going to be locked up for the next 4 years. That seems like an eternity in crypto land. And I am not sure I'm ready to commit to that. 6 months, all right, 76.22%. Now, even 6 months is, to me, a long-term investment here. So, I can say upgrade the locking period. All right, I can upgrade to longer. Interesting, okay. If I do that, it'll let me. It says it will let me upgrade, so that's cool. But I really don't want to do that right now. I'm a little unsatisfied with the entire VVS ecosystem. And I can say that because I've been in since the beginning, almost. And I got into VVS and I put almost $1,000 into this thing. And you can see I am nowhere near that right now. Even including the farm, the interest, and everything. Let's go back to the dashboard. You guys can see I'm around 400. And that is what we call bad. Losing 60% in, how long has it been? 6 months? That's what we call bad. And we're only getting 17% interest. We're never going to get back to even. At least I'm not. It's going to be tough. So that's why I started with the other apps. For example, if we go over here to the dApps, you remember I have done, if you follow my channel, if not, subscribe now. I did some Tectonic and Optimizer. So let's go check that out. See how we're doing over here. Now you remember I was very conservative when I first initially did this. Just to see what was going to happen, test the waters, so to say. Because I was burned so badly with VVS. And you can see here that we have, alright, we have two things staked. One's at 900% still. So that's pretty awesome, right? And you can see the profit is 6.443. And it hasn't been that long, right? So awesome. The downside here is if I go to claim this right now, and I say claim, which I just did, it's going to charge me 3.3 CRO. What? So that's actually way better than before. Before it was like 11. So the fees have come way down. So that's good. But it's still 50% of what I put in there. So I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm going to wait. So let's go over to my liquidity pool. All right, you can see the APR is variable, blah, blah, blah. Okay, fine. Now you can see here that it is a little more. I've got $5 in MMF and $1.72 in MMO. So if I try to claim it here, let's see what the fee is now that the network has been established. Okay, now here it's still 11 CRO. So yeah, it's like $6. $5, whatever. It's more than I really want to pay right now, so I'm going to let this ride for a little longer. If you guys want to see how to stake in these pools, go out, check my videos, and be sure to subscribe for more updates. If you guys want to see any other dApps reviewed, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.